beautiful people, my name is Caroline Wamboy and welcome back to this beautiful and amazing channel. In case you are new here, karibu sana. We love visitors. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some laundry. So it's a laundry motivation video plus a bit of bathroom cleaning. So stick around and make sure you carry home some motivation to just clean up your bathroom and to also do some laundry in case you have some dirty clothes with you. For all those who are new here you will find a lot of cleaning content, homemaking, a little bit of cooking, and of course everything around us is content, including hauls and everything. So stick around and make sure you just leave a beautiful comment at the end of the video and share me out if you can, and let's get to 1,000 subscribers very soon. The clothes weren't many because I normally do my laundry every day. Actually, in this bunch, the only thing that was stressing me up are the towels, and I think everybody has those pieces or types of clothes that you hate cleaning. For me, I don't love cleaning towels so much, but I had already soaked them, so it will be easier for me to clean them up. Yeah, you can comment below which are those clothes that you don't love cleaning. Personally, I don't love cleaning towels, kabisa kabisa. However clean they may be, however dirty they may be, I don't love cleaning them.
Traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
was it with the cleaning, and I hung these clothes off camera. The next thing I went to do is just clean my bathroom. It's not a deep cleanness per se, but I really wanted to work on my walls because I felt they were a little bit more dirty. Yes, so I had to remove everything that I normally place on the walls, and we have that small space up there that I normally place the storage baskets. Yeah, I also wanted to wipe them up, so I cleared everything in them. Yeah, I will also take care of my soap dishes. Yeah, and that will be it, guys. So I don't know if I should call this a deep clean, but I really did my best to just make sure this bathroom was clean. It's an old bathroom, and I therefore do a lot of work in it. Yeah, guys. So clean up with me. Yeah. And I had said I'm going to give a review of this Doffy soap. It's really doing some magic. It has some really good foam, and I loved it. So if you meet it in the streets, I think it's made in Tanzania. If you meet it in the street, just buy it. It's very, very affordable, and it is just doing some amazing job like any other powder soap could do.
I'm in a traffic club.
So for the walls, I'm just going to use that soapy water. I've only added washing powder onto it, and you can see the amount of foam in it. Yeah, I'm going to be using a brush, a scotch to just clean up these walls. Yeah, and my main area of concentration every time I'm deep cleaning a bathroom, or rather cleaning it, are the two lower tiles because they really get dirty. Yeah, and that is what I started with before my energy could just go or get over. Yeah, I'll scrub the walls, then I'll rinse them with some clean water. If you have some disinfectant, you can as well add in the water, or even some jik, yeah, or even Dettol, yeah, just to disinfect everything up.
Don't know why it's been so hard for me to say this. I'm not exactly gay, but sure as hell ain't straight, sis. If I'm honest, I feel somewhere in the middle, a little. I've been trying to deny it for a minute. It only comes out when I look at who I'm kissing. It only comes out when I look at who I'm kissing, kissing. I've been so blue, ashamed and afraid, but when I look at you, can't think straight 'cause I like pink. Try to hide it, but you saw right through me. Can I tell the truth? Can't think straight 'cause I like pink. till I'm ready for the changes. It's not a phase, but I just don't know how to phrase it. Phrase it. It's hard enough to find someone who really sees you. Even I look in the mirror and I'm see-through. No one gives me color quite the way that you do. You do. I've been so blue, ashamed and afraid, but when I look at you, can't think straight 'cause I like pink. Try to hide it, but you saw right through me. Can I tell the truth? Can't think straight.
One of the forgotten parts as I clean my bathroom is usually this door, and yeah, I just remembered to clean it, and I'm very careful on the type of item I normally use. As you can see, it's wooden, so I'm just using a sack, a small sack, to clean it so that it cannot chip off. Like you can see that down area, the paint has already chipped off. Yeah, but that small sack, I know we call it kagunia. It normally cleans so well and it does not chip the paint off. Yeah, the other part as the floors, and I used this morning fresh scoring powder, and I really hate its smell, and I really want it to finish up so fast so that I can get another one. I don't know which one will smell better. You can comment below which scoring powder do you use, because for me, morning fresh, I don't love its smell at all. It's a good one, but I don't think I love the smell. I don't love it. Yeah, so I cleaned the floors, and later what I did is just drying them up because of accidents. If there is anything that could be bad is a bathroom accident, you can easily break your leg. And as you can see, I even changed my slippers at one point because those ones that I had started cleaning with were a bit slidey. So something that you need to note while cleaning the bathroom, just ensure that you are in the right slippers on the feet so that you cannot slip off because of the soap. In case you have watched this video up to this point, may God bless you. Thank you so much for just sparing your time to just come and support me. God bless you a lot. For my returnees and my premier gang, thank you so much for always according me the support. I don't take it for granted. May God bless you. May God bless your channels. May God bless your families. I don't take it for granted, guys. Yeah, the last thing I did was just wiping off the excess water from the walls and that space above that I usually store the storage containers. And later on, I just came in with my sufficient tile cleaner to just give my tiles a little bit of shining, and you are going to see me do so, guys. Yeah, here I'm communicating with my baby. I don't know what she actually wanted. Yeah, guys, so I hope you're motivated to just do some cleanup. Yeah, I normally do a deep clean of this bathroom maybe bi-weekly, and I said I don't want to call this a deep clean because I was not really ready for it. It's just that I found it necessary to just give the walls a clean. My walls were the main focus, and I think I did justice to them, and you are going to comment below how they turned out.
Memories die out too hard. We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tears. We set our mind on fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want plan it first, but here I am. 'Cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my funland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Bye bye guys, that was the turnout and I was really happy about it. Let me see you in my next video on a Thursday, God willing. Bye.